Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an incredible recipe that combines the bold flavors of jerk chicken with the sweetness of roasted sweet potatoes. This dish is not just delicious, it's a flavor explosion that'll impress your friends and family. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Now, let's talk about some common challenges folks face when making jerk chicken or sweet potatoes. One big issue is getting the chicken perfectly cooked while still packed with that signature jerk flavor. A lot of people end up with dry chicken or under-seasoned meat. And sweet potatoes? They can either turn mushy or just not have that sweet caramelized goodness we crave. But don't worry, today's recipe is designed to help you avoid these pitfalls, making it super easy to nail your jerk chicken and get those sweet potatoes just right. All right, let's dive into the ingredients. For our jerk chicken, we'll need some chicken thighs, juicy and full of flavor. We're also grabbing a mix of spices, allspice, thyme, garlic powder, and of course, some Scotch bonnet peppers for that spicy kick. And don't forget the soy sauce and lime juice for that zing. Now for our sweet potatoes, we'll keep it simple with just a little olive oil, salt, and a sprinkle of cinnamon to enhance that sweetness. So here's how we're gonna do it. First, we marinate the chicken in our jerk spice mix for at least an hour. Overnight is even better if you can wait. This helps those flavors really penetrate the meat. While that's marinating, we'll peel and chop our sweet potatoes, tossing them in olive oil, salt, and cinnamon, then roasting them in the oven until they're tender and caramelized. Once the chicken is marinated, we'll grill it until it's perfectly charred and cooked through, creating that iconic jerk flavor. It's a step-by-step process that's super rewarding, and I'll be sharing some tips along the way to help enhance those flavors even more. And here we are, the moment you've been waiting for. Just look at this beautiful plated dish. The jerk chicken is sizzling with that gorgeous char and those vibrant spices, while the sweet potatoes are perfectly roasted, glistening with a hint of caramelization. Can you smell that? The aroma is absolutely mouth-watering. The combination of the spicy jerk chicken and the sweet potatoes is truly something special. It's a party for your palate. Just imagine taking a bite of that juicy chicken followed by a spoonful of those sweet potatoes. Pure bliss! So let's quickly recap. We marinated our chicken in a flavorful jerk spice mix, roasted our sweet potatoes to perfection, and grilled that chicken until it was juicy and charred. This dish is not only easy to make, but also a fantastic way to impress anyone at your dinner table. You've got the spice, the sweetness, and the satisfaction of cooking something incredible at home. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried making jerk chicken or roasted sweet potatoes? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're feeling inspired, give this recipe a shot and let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to check out my other cooking videos for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes coming your way.